In a previous video, I showed you how to save a shape in PowerPoint and reuse it in Camtasia. But what if you didn't know what color you wanted to use? Maybe you have a shape that you want to reuse and recolor in Camtasia. In this video, I'll show you how you can set the properties of that shape so that it's easily recolored inside Camtasia. Hello friend, my name is Ron from CamMastery.com, where you can go to learn how to make great videos with Camtasia. If you have a PowerPoint shape that you want to reuse in Camtasia and also recolor, then the best way to do that is to set the properties of that shape so that it is a middle gray. Let me show you what I mean. If we wanted to use this lightning bolt, for example, I could go in and I can say, let's turn off the shape outline. And for the color of the shape, I want to choose a middle gray, which in this case, I'm going to choose this 50% gray. When we go to the specific color gray for this item, we see that it is 127, 127, 127 if we're looking at RGB values, or 7F, 7F, 7F if we're looking at the hex values. I'll click OK, and I'll save this so I can reuse it in Camtasia. I'll choose Save as Picture, call it Lightning Gray. I'll then import it into Camtasia. And then when I drag it over to Camtasia, I can see it has that gray color. To change this color to anything else that I want, I can go to the Visual Effects tab and I can choose Colorize. I'll just drag the Colorize effect over to my shape, and then if I click the drop down on the Colorize effect, I can choose any color I want, like this blue, or a green, or a reddish orange, or I could even use the eyedropper tool to find a color that I want to use. As long as that color is that middle gray, that 127, 127, 127, or 7F, 7F, 7F color, then you can get just about any color you need for your shape.